Hi, I'm DJ Shin from Tomocube. Holotomography is changing the way we see live cells. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to get started with our new system, the HT-X1mini. Start by taking your sample dish from the incubator and place it directly onto the stage. The system then takes care of the rest. Autofocus and calibration are all automatic. No manual steps, no extra setup. Now, move to your region of interest and simply click Acquire. Within seconds, you get a high-resolution, three-dimensional image of live cells, label-free and in stunning detail. Not only can you track dynamic cellular processes over hours or even days, but you can also extract quantitative information such as dry mass and protein concentration. To learn more about compact, accessible holotomography, visit our website and discover what's possible with the HT-X1 Mini.